Humans are now hackable animals. You know, the whole idea that humans have, you know, they have this soul or spirit and they have free will and nobody knows what's happening inside me. So whatever I choose, whether in the election or whether in the supermarket, this is my free will, that's over. By hacking organisms, elites may gain the power to re-engineer the future of life itself.
Like this, it is easy to be tempted to sense compassion. We must learn that this is pointless instinct, not fit for the master race. Hoch, hoch, auf die Platte! People like you. What path is death and destruction? I would ask you to consider. In the end, we will be judged. Not by what we have destroyed, but what we have created. Fergus. Oh. Can you grasp the splendor of it? The intelligence of the human brain, amalgamated with the efficiency and obedience of the machine.
And once you take the tablet and dissolves into your stomach, sends a signal that you took the tablet. So imagine the applications of that, compliance.
The future is not just happening. The future is built by us, by a powerful community as you here in this room.
Fergus, you in there?
Lost choice. And nightmares. Swapped damn machine. Got no control of my actions. And please, let me die.
I'll see you soon, Fergus. In a better place than this.